Hi all, it's Dave here from Rank Nerd. You guys may have seen my video last year and we're back at it. Since last year's Black Friday, a lot of great things have happened. We've grown very rapidly and have introduced new features and more locations. We've also since been voted as the #1 top provider on Low End Talk community. We thank each and every one of you for your support. Look, I know you guys are excited and we are too. We're going to be providing the community with exclusive promotions and tons of giveaways. The link is going to be in the video description below. Don't go away just yet, let me tell you about our giveaways. Here's what we'll be giving away. No purchase is necessary. We have one Deepcool Matrix 70 3F case. We have 3 CF120 RGB fans and one added RGB LED strip pre-installed. 2 times Asus TUF K3 mechanical gaming keyboards, 1 Offie Cleaver racing style office chair, 1 VastKing KingPad K10 10-inch tablet, 5 times Logitech G432 wired gaming headset, 3 times QZ-YL 75 feet LED strip lights, 5 times Nego mousepad with wireless charging and RGB lighting, 1 times Keurig K-Mini coffee maker, 2 Amazon Echo 4th generations, 10 Rack Nerd coffee mugs, 15 Rack Nerd shirts, and 10 Rack Nerd stickers, and lastly, 10 $25 Rack Nerd account credits. The physical items can be shipped out to any US address. The equivalent in Rack Nerd account credit will be provided to those who reside outside of the United States. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is to comment on the Low End Talk thread below. Great question. At the end of the giveaway, we will compile a list of all the users who commented on the Low End Talk thread, and then randomize the list of usernames using random.org. On the randomized list, starting from the top, we will select the winners based on the order the prizes were mentioned in. For example, the first winner will get the first prize mentioned earlier in the video, and so on and so forth, until the winners have all been selected accordingly. Winners will have 48 hours after receiving a PM to claim the prize. Winners will be sent a DM on Low End Talk by Dustin and will be tagged publicly within the thread. In addition, we'll be randomly doing other unannounced giveaways in our thread. So be sure to stay active within the Low End Talk thread and watch out for those. Again, all you have to do is comment on the Low End Talk thread. So come and join the fun. The link to Low End Talk thread will be in the video description below. Thanks for watching and good luck.